Hi there, I'm Tim Hawes from the locals at Ray White Kingsland, and welcome to 60B School Road in Kingsland. Built in 2012 with a touch of sophistication and luxury, this is a fantastic family home that is ready and waiting for you. The layout has been carefully planned with the luxurious master suite, the open plan living, dining and kitchen upstairs. Designed to catch lovely natural light, the open plan living opens to the sun-drenched balcony, providing the perfect entertainer's playground. The master suite's a heavenly retreat with a walk-in closet, stylish ensuite, and a brilliant space that can be used as a separate study or a single bedroom. And with 3 further bedrooms and a family bathroom downstairs, there is room for the whole family. Versatile and functional, there's a range of ways to utilise all the space on offer. Plentiful storage is a welcome feature, and the entire design just makes busy lifestyles that much easier to manage. After a demanding day's work, drive in and unload in the dry, and head straight to unwind with a relaxing refreshment as the sun goes down. Welcome home to your very own urban escape. And to top things off, all the attractions of Kingsland Village and Morningside Precinct are moments away. Make sure you come along on the weekend to the open home. We look forward to seeing you.